para man. So, nato sa part 2 sa ato ang lesson, which is the conservation of momentum. So, ato sa examining figure 8.9, na kay duha ka astronaut, nagtinakloray sila sa usag-usa as they float freely in the zero gravity environment of space. So they're floating, so there are no normal force, walay weight force. So we can consider this an isolated system nga walay no external forces. Hello, mic test. So wala sila external forces. Only internal forces. Unsa man mga internal forces? Kaning the forces nga gi-act sa astronaut sa usag-usa. Example, itok na di push each other. So si astronaut A, gi-push niya si astronaut B. This is the direction. Kung tanaw na to ang free body diagram ni astronaut B. Ano yung direction? Padulong dito si astronaut B sad, push tuklod niya si A mo na ang iyahang direction. Those are the internal forces. Patong tanawan ng Newton's third law, this is an action-reaction forces where these forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So, muna siya sa Newton's third law. So, kung ato na siyang i-add, those forces will be zero. So, ang mga internal forces na di ay sa ka system will cancel out. So, say for this example. Okay. So, another figure is that wala na sila karon sa space na nakay duha ka ice skaters. Tinakloray sila as they skate on a frictionless horizontal surface. Okay. Kaya naman sila contact sa surface, na sila normal force, na sila weight force, and the internal forces sa usag-usa. But in this particular case, although naman siya normal o gravitational force, nga na ay external, pero kung i-add nimo sila, zero sila. So the total momentum is conserved. Okay. So unsa man dining statement? What is the statement about conservation of momentum? Ingon ning conservation of momentum. Ah, conservation of momentum. So ingon dire nga if the vector sum of all the external forces so on a system is zero, just like this one, ang mga external forces nila is zero. Although kani wala external forces, kani isa na ay external force pero zero ra sila. The total momentum, okay, the total momentum of the system is conserved, or the other term is constant, or the term they used here is constant. Constant. So how do we uh sa man ni pagpasabot yun? Okay. How can we make this one into equation? So for example, let's focus on this one. So let's focus on this example na na kay two ka ice skaters. Okay, since if we add the internal forces, kaya mga external forces is zero man. So for example, we add F, we add F B on A plus F A on B. So since this is an equal magnitude, opposite direction, therefore this is equal to zero. Okay. So this is just Newton's third law in terms of momentum. This is just the momentum of A plus uh, the derivative of the momentum of B is equal to zero. So we can add this one, D times the momentum of A plus the momentum of B over dt is equal to zero. Okay. Or we can simply put this one, if we let P, big letter P, is equal to A plus the momentum of B. We call this one as the total momentum. The total momentum of the system. Therefore, the derivative of the total momentum P over dt is equal to 0. Sagot pasabotan ng... So therefore, if the derivative of this one is 0, then P must be constant. Diba? The derivative of a constant is 0. Okay. So in in for example, the best way to sa para i-explain ni siya is that, for example, na kay object here A. Okay, this is moving in this direction. Na kay initial velocity. Uh, na kay initial velocity here, VA. Na pud kay initial velocity here, VV. So example na siya. Example is collision. So one of the example for conservation of momentum is collision. So this is during. So, but after the collision, nana sila yung mga, this is the initial, nana sila BB prime and AA prime. Okay. So, but pasabot class, di ba kay, ang naman kay total momentum, naman kay initial momentum dire. Okay. Is equal to PA, the initial, plus the initial pag yun sa B. Kung pila na siya dira, kung conserve ang imong momentum, total momentum, ang imo pong final momentum, which is the final nimo A plus the final nimo sa B. Dapat, if the conserve, if therefore, kung na kay total momentum diri atong i-define nga ang total momentum is just the sum of all the momentum sa mga particles nga nasa system, then this equation tells that your initial momentum total is equal to your final momentum. So mura na siya ang this equation on na siya nag-represent yun ang conservation of momentum. So in a very plain nga pagka-explain, kung unsa imong total momentum sa sugod, wala siya nakuhaan after. So kung unsa imong final momentum, equal siya sa imong initial total momentum. That's the law of conservation of momentum. So, ang provided only, makonserve na siya provided nga the external forces is zero. So sa collision, kanang mga external forces sa collision are negligible compared to the internal forces. Itong kidako kay internal force compared sa external forces. That's why sa collision gina-consider na to zero ang ilang external forces. So again, the total conservation of momentum tells us that the total momentum of the system is equal to the final momentum of the system. So this is one. Okay, let's try to have a example for this. natay recoil of a rifle. So this is an example of conservation of momentum. Okay. Nakay rifle, nakay bullet. Okay, let's draw first. So for example, diri nag-fire na ka sa bullet. So this, so the problem is at nada ko na kay marksman, nag-hold siya og rifle na siya ang rifle na siya mass na 3.0 kilograms. Okay? He's holding it loosely so it can recoil freely. So kanang bitang magpabutot sa rifle, di ba mo recoil na siya, mura siya mo ituklog ta nila, it will push us back. He fires a bullet and I mass M, which is 5.0 grams or 0.0500 kilograms. Okay. This is horizontally with a relative velocity relative to ground of velocity. So pag fire niya na siya velocity Vx prime na nakalimutan kay final man ni siya meters per second in that direction, in this direction. Okay. So what is now the recoil velocity? So di ba pag boto naman ay recoil velocity Vx, ah, the velocity of the rifle prime. Okay. So probably in that direction. Okay. What is what is the recoil velocity of the rifle? Okay. So take note, this is the final. Diba mo niya to ang after. Sa before ni siya. Okay, sa before pa, of course, kay wala naman siya ay velocity. Ang initial niya ay 0, velocity of the rifle. And also the velocity of the bullet is equal to 0. So adisir pa siya nagka velocity ang bullet. So diyan ni buto na siya after nagkabuto na. Ang pangunta na karon unsa man nang iyahang recoil velocity kani siya. Okay. Since this is a conservation of momentum problem, okay, from the law of conservation of momentum, okay, states that the total momentum P is equal to is constant. So meaning the final momentum, total momentum is equal to the initial. Okay. So sa or ato na lang balihon, ang initial is equal to the final. So pwede na siyang balibay. So sa imuhang before, the initial momentum na kay momentum of the rifle, okay, plus the momentum of actually momentum of the bullet is equal to the momentum of the rifle prime plus the momentum of the bullet prime. Okay. So since in the x component, okay, so x component, so we have m, so p x, so x component, this talks out that the px is equal to px prime. So it states that the momentum of the rifle along x is the momentum of the bullet along x is equal to the momentum of the rifle, the final momentum along x plus the final momentum of the bullet along x. Okay. So the equation for this is that so m of the rifle, this one, the momentum of this rifle initial is vrx plus the momentum of the bullet, the mass of the bullet, vbx, the initial, is equal to the final, mr VRX prime plus MB VBX prime. Okay. Since wala pa na sila yung mga velocity, so this is 0. So we have now our equation that this is equal now to MR VRX plus MV VBX. Okay, since our target variable is the recoil velocity, okay, muna itong target variable. So our MR now, so we can transfer this into the other side. So we have MB, negative MB, VBX prime is equal to MR VRX prime. Okay, so we divide both sides by the mass of the rifle and cancel. So we have the VRX prime is equal to the mass of the bullet, okay, MB over MR times VRX, VBX. So we have pila ganito itong mass sa bullet na to is negative na lang, negative. So let's have this factor out the negative, so negative times the 0.0500 kilograms times 0 and 3.00 kilograms multiplied by 3,300 meters per second. So, so I hope you can follow our VRX prime or the final or the recoil velocity for this problem is given by, so we have 0.00500 divided by 300 times 300. 3.0. So this is negative 0.50. So mga 3 significant figures man siya. So 0.500 meters per second. So the negative tells you that the recoil velocity is given in the opposite direction. Kung i-assume na to nga this is our direction of our positive x, so meaning ang recoil velocity nimo is towards the negative x-axis. So that's why nga mura ka niya i-push back. So that's the recoil velocity. This is an example of the conservation of momentum. Okay. So another conservation of momentum are collisions. Okay, collisions. However, the collisions, we will discuss it one-dimension collisions in the next video. Okay, so thank you for listening.